Welcome to Alikare. This is Thea. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I moisturize my arm to get rid of fat, to get rid of cellulite, so it don't develop any cellulite, and so I don't have a hard muscle and I don't have a soggy arm. You know, sometimes when you look at your arm and wear sleeveless, like what I'm wearing now, this strapless dress, and then you have your arms swinging like a swing song, it doesn't look good. It's lift up your arm, you have this flap down here. So especially when you get older in age, or if you lose weight on and off, this will happen to you. So this is what I do. I massage my hand. I'm using coconut oil, so the bottle don't have on any label on it. It's basically just coconut oil. One of the oil that you can use Vaseline, right? Because Vaseline, when it gets warmer, it really helps, and it helps with the cellulites and also the buildup of tissues in the skin. And you know, sometimes I do massage, so sometimes here will lump up, like it really hurts, so I massage it out. If you realize that you have cellulites, please just do massage like this. Don't do this, don't rub it in, because the friction of the cellulites will bruise your tissue and it will only cause you pain. So just stretch it out like that if you have cellulites. I do have mild cellulites in my arm, but I'm losing weight now, and what causes cellulites too is the on and off weight loss, like you don't keep a steady weight, so that will definitely affect you. So I massage it for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you have somebody at home who can do it for you, it's good, because it's good to stretch the arm, right? So I'm not gonna continue massaging for the whole 15 minutes, just demonstrating what I do. Then I wrap this foil over my arm, and this is what I'm saying, if you have somebody to do it for you, it's better. Now do it as tight as you can bear it. Right? And then what I do, I wear it to work just the same. So I just put on my clothes and see. So you can have on your jacket, you can have on any dress with sleeve, even if it's short sleeve and you just want to do just underneath here, you can go ahead, and it feels okay. I can wear it to work, so it keep on burning the fat from underneath my arm. There are a lot of persons who go through weight loss, and when they're finished, especially female, because our bones may be not big but we have a lot of fat. Once you lose the weight, your arms become saggy, and if you don't do a lot of hand exercise, it's just saggy and just hanging down there. As you go through age, your body changes, so this will help. While it's there sweating out the fat, it's just good, and your skin is being tightening, and you're using your arm, so it's working and you're exercising it. So guys, if this video helped you, please comment below, and if you're gonna try it, or if you have already, and if you already tried it, please let me know. I'm Thea. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm Thea. And okay, if you see me in the same outfit, I did all 3 videos on the same day, so thank you so much.